come this direction on US129. But if you know where we're at, you know. I do have Tracy behind me. We just met up at the store. He just happened to pull into the Cherahela store as I was coming up 129. I can't even see. This guy's waving me around up a hill. I should have thanked him. That would have been the polite thing to do on Mother's Day. He was probably a mother. I don't know how he identifies in this new world that we live in. But it's possible. According to Democrats, men can have babies now. So keep voting that D down the ticket. You're doing the world a lot of good. Can't think of anything worse than a Democrat. $6,000 genders. Where am I going? Where am I passing you at? I was going to change these tires out. I wasn't even going to play hard today on these tires. And here I am, using them. Those two BMWs were following us for a minute. They are no longer in the rearview mirror. Chopper. I can't tell you how many times I've come around this turn to an accident. This is not a fun turn. somebody pulling out across the yellow line. It's nonsense. Yay, yay, good times, good times. Why are they stopped in the best turn on the whole road? Why are they stopped? What? They're going 35 miles an hour. It's 55. Can't tell what the tag is. It looks like US Air Force retired. Figures. They've probably never done anything adventurous their entire lives. Passing zone. Another one. What? It's 55 miles an hour, folks. 55. 55, not 25. 55. They're driving their car like it's a Harley. I can understand a Harley not being able to go the speed limit on this road. But if you're in a Toyota pickup truck, you should be able to go 55. Tires are not great, especially on the edges. This front tire is worn past the wear mark where I'm at right now, where I like to ride.